Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change display size on Realme C67 device. Adjusting the display size can make it easier for individuals with difficulties to read the content on their device. By increasing the display size can enlarge text, icon, and other elements, making them more visible and accessible. Okay, and then let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can click on display option, and then you can select display size and text here. Okay, and then now you can resize the display of your device by sliding this small button to the right side or to the left side as you need. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change display size on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.